So you've started carnivore. Have you ever asked yourself, why am I so tired on the carnivore diet? If you have, you're not alone. A lot of us have gone through the exact same thing. There's nothing really strange about it, nothing unusual about it. It's part of the adaptation phase. You'll go through it your first 30 days on carnivore. Once you get past the adaptation phase, your feelings of tiredness will usually go away. They won't really come back. The reason you're feeling tired is because you cut the carbohydrates out of your diet. Now, when you cut your carbohydrates, your insulin levels drop. When your insulin levels drop, it's not a bad thing. It's kind of how you get started losing weight, it's how the fat loss starts. But when your insulin levels drop, it stops telling your kidneys to hold on to the sodium. So when the insulin levels drop, your body dumps water, and it also dumps the sodium along with the water. When you lose sodium, your blood volume decreases a little bit. That's going to increase you feeling tired, kind of feeling sluggish. So usually when that happens, it's a sign that your sodium is low, not that anything else is wrong. And of course, if your sodium's low, the best fix is, first of all, add some salt back to your diet. Make sure you're putting plenty of sea salt on your meat, on your eggs. If you salt everything generously, use a little more salt than you think you should be using. If after that you're still dragging a little bit and still feeling tired, add a little pinch of sea salt to the water when you drink your water. Don't just drink plain water, especially when you're tired. Add a little pinch of sea salt to your water. It'll help a lot. Second, if you're feeling tired, make sure you're eating enough. A lot of people fall into the diet mantra of eat less and move more. Doesn't really apply on carnivore. You need to make sure that you're eating enough food. Don't try to skimp on the meals. Make sure you're eating lots of food. Usually between eating enough food and getting your salt content up, the issue of being tired is going to go away. So don't make the mistake a lot of people make. Don't make the mistake I made when I first started, thinking less is more, less salt, less food is the best thing to do, because it's really not. Like in my first 30 days, tiredness was one of the things I felt, especially my first 2 weeks while I was trying to dial in everything and get used to carnivore. Once I got the salt content right and started really putting salt on my meat and on my eggs, putting a pinch of salt in my water a couple of times a day, adding an electrolyte drink to get the sodium levels up. Once I made those adjustments, the feeling of tiredness went away, and I was jumping out of bed in the morning, bright-eyed, bushy-tailed, ready to go, was going through the whole day full of energy, not feeling tired. So do your best to make sure you get plenty of salt, make sure you're eating plenty of food, and you should be fine. Hey, if you're on carnivore and you're feeling tired, drop a note below in the comments. Let me know if that's one of the things you've suffered through. And if you've already suffered and got past it, let me know what helped you get past being tired. Was it simply more salt? Was it adding more food? Was it something else entirely? Love to hear about it. If you're feeling tiredness right now, try upping your salt. Make sure you're eating plenty, and come back in the comments and let me know if that worked for you or not. So basically, if you're feeling really tired on the carnivore diet, it's not a sign carnivore is not working, or it's not a sign there's something wrong with you. It's most likely a sign that you need to increase the sodium in your diet. Add some more salt to your food. Add a pinch of sea salt in your water. Try it, and let's see if you can get past this tiredness and get full of energy again. Thanks for watching.